Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs estrellados. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and add sliced potatoes or plantain if using. Crack eggs gently into the pan and let whites set while yolks remain runny. Season with salt and pepper, add sliced ham or chorizo on top, and finish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lime to brighten the dish. Combine ingredients and prep ahead to keep the cooking flow smooth. Peel and slice potatoes or plantains thinly and sauté until golden and tender before adding eggs. Crack eggs carefully to avoid shell fragments and space them so yolks won't touch. Cook until whites are opaque and edges are lightly crisp for contrast. Plate with chosen toppings and serve hot for a quick, satisfying meal that highlights runny yolks and crispy textures. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy hands-free music while you cook, because sizzling eggs sound better with good bass. It fits on the counter, controls timers by voice, and keeps recipes at your command without greasy hands touching your phone. If you like this tip and find the video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Master a steady hand and timing for consistent results every time. Maintain medium-high heat and watch edges brown while whites firm up. This creates the signature contrast. Resist flipping the eggs to keep the yolks intact and velvety. If using potatoes or plantains, pre-fry them until tender so they finish at the same time as the eggs. Finish with a pinch of salt and a quick squeeze of lime for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.